For solving systems of equations by graphing, you have two equations. So the first one we have here, it's y equals x plus 3. And the second one is y equals negative x plus 7. What we want to achieve by doing this is to find the point where the two equations meet, or if they don't meet at all, or if they are always meeting. So what we're gonna try to do is cancel one of the two variables. It could be y or x. In this case, we already have the x and the negative x, so it will be easier to cancel. So we have it here, the y equals x plus 3 and y equals negative x plus 7. So here we cancel it out. We're subtracting and adding. We're not multiplying at all. And what we have is, well, y plus y is 2y. You copy this the same order, and then this is a 10. And then for
y.
Solving for y, you're gonna put the y alone, and 10 divided by 2, this gives you 5. So now you have the value for 5. And you're gonna look for the value of x. So what we're gonna do is substitute x. So you can use either of the two. It should give the same answer. So you have y equals 5, so you put 5 equals x plus 3. And this gives you put the y alone, so the x alone. So you have 5 minus 3. This gives you x equals 2. So this should be the meeting point. You have like 2 and 5. And if you want to check it, you can do it with the other one. So you have the y, that it's 5, equals negative x plus 7. So you have the negative x, 5, negative 7, and this gives you negative 2 and negative x. You can never leave the variable, like the x value in negative, so you're gonna switch places and you change the signs. So it's x equals 2.
Now we're going to explain how to solving systems of equation with linear and quadratic formulas. And this is the first problem, where we have to first start with the formula negative b divided by 2a. Yeah.
After getting the result of negative b plus divided by 2a, you do a table of values, and by a table of values you will get the parabola, and here it is. Then after that you have this value that is y10, so you put it here, but you also have this, and you can replace 10 with y here, and then by doing this you get 3, that is one of the values, and then you just plot it out as a straight line.
So another good example of solving systems of equations by graphing is simply by putting the slope and the y-intercept of each problem. Example, we have y equals x plus 3. So we're just going to plot the point, which is 0, 3, and then the slope is 1, so we can just go down 1, left 1, or up 1, right 1. It would be the same thing as we would end up still with a diagonal line. Now we do the same thing here with y equals negative x minus 2. We would plot the point, which is 0, negative 2, and then we would go either down 1, right 1, or up 1, left 1. Either way, we would still end up with the same intersecting point right here, which is approximately negative 2.5, 0.5.